Beneath every Vigilante lies innovation. This one just runs silent. Hello everyone. For years, we've dreamt of building an all-electric Wagoneer. So what took us so long? Technology was just evolving so fast. In the past years, any EV that we would have built would just have been outdated by the time we were done with it. But the time is finally right. An EV technology has matured enough that we're comfortable putting out a product that will last for decades. For us, our friends and customers, it was a matter of taking responsibility in what we build. Let me be clear, this is not a replacement for our Vigilante Hemi offerings. No, this is just an addition. Let me also be clear that this is not just an engine swap. It's a total revisit of the Vigilante platform under electric power. So what you see here in the back is a completely reimagined platform, built from the ground up. We took everything that we knew about these classics and combined it with the amazing potential of the electric power. In order to get started, we partnered up with industry leaders and got to the drawing boards. And just like with the Hemi-powered Vigilantes, it all starts with a chassis, and weight distribution is key. So we started with a blank page, using our existing 3D scans of the Wagoneers, Grand Wagoneers, Cherokees, and J trucks, and re-engineered the chassis from the ground up. In order to maintain a low center of gravity and balanced vehicle dynamics, where do the batteries sit? Right here, in the middle, under the belly of the Wagoneer. Our approach is different. Most EV conversions are direct V8 replacement bolt-on kits. In that case, you still use the old transmission, transfer case, axles, braking capacity. That kind of defeats the purpose, because you still have to maintain those. So we put the power right where you need it, at the wheels. This particular prototype uses a dual motor setup, one in the front, one in the back, offering permanent four-wheel drive. Just like with the other Vigilantes, the ride quality is comparable to modern vehicles. In order to achieve this, we use front and rear independent suspension, along with our beloved Fox racing shocks. And of course, in order to handle that power, we rely on our big six-piston brakes. It has all the features you can expect from a modern EV: regenerative power, dual charging ports, and advanced cooling management. We're so thrilled to finally share our progress with you. Keep in mind, this is our first prototype, so there's still a lot of work to be done. But the journey has begun. If you're as excited as we are, we want to hear from you. Reach out and let's start a conversation. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.